mold and bacteria are overrunning my house and affecting my family. What can I do?
B&B Disaster Restoration is introducing Sanisol, a new EPA-registered biodegradable disinfecting technology that kills 99.99% of bacteria and viruses. MRSA, rhinovirus, and flu viruses will no longer be a problem. Sanisol is hassle-free and is a great safe product for your home, office, school, or any public building that needs disinfecting. Keep your health in check and let us protect you and your family. Call B&B Disaster Restoration for more info and a free estimate right now.